How to fix Snapchat add-in friends problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is very simple. Scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it like this and click on force stop. When you click on force stop, now click on the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. After that, go into the permissions and make sure that all these permissions right here are enabled. And the last thing you want to do now is go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and disable it after that. Now, restart your phone and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.